Anyway, I'm gonna share a fish recipe that is a very paborito of mine. Parati itong niluluto ng aking mommy every fiesta. I would always wait for, yung, yung steam. Actually, para tong steam hack. Ang niluluto ng mami ko, steam lapu-lapu. Yum. Oh my, I miss steam lapu-lapu. Anyway, dahil nasa US tayo, wala namang steam lapu-lapu. So, we could use salmon, what else? Tilapia. Okay, we go on with this. So, ito na, nag-prepare na ako ng onions. You could also use white onions if wala kayong red onions. And then we'll just go ahead and put some sliced tomatoes. And guys, o nga pala, yung cut, yung pag-i-slice ng mga ingredients nyo, it doesn't have to have like a pattern. Whatever kung anong gusto nyong slice, pwede. Okay, and then, ganyan lang kadali. Ipe-place lang natin lahat dyan. Tapos, meron na akong salmon. Wantong aking salmon, frozen to. Kaya, kung medyo hindi maganda sa inyong camera ang aking salmon, it's frozen one. Nilinis ko din siya ng, distilled vinegar for a short time. Tapos nirinse. If you still have time, maganda ding ibabad sa milk para yung freshness niya maibalik, yung mawala yung lansa din. It's a nice tip din. So, ganyan lang. Hello, viewer. How are you? Meron ako isang viewer. Hold on guys, hindi ko alam kung paano makita yung kung may mga comments. Bakit walang comments? May comments ba? Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and avoid. Okay. Next, lagyan na natin ng, let's put some salt. Okay. Ang mami ko would use fish sauce. But because, medyo healthy na tayo, hindi na ako, minsan na lang ako nagpapatis. But then again, for umami, why not? You could put a little of the patis. Okay, and then, lagyan natin ng konting ground black pepper. Pero originally, ang mami ko, I don't think naglalagay siya ng ground black pepper sa lapu-lapu niya. And then, next is, lagyan natin ng butter to make it creamy, buttery taste, and yeah, panglinamnam. Let's add in that. This is really very good. I promise you people, this is gonna be very good. Tapos, ang sarap nito. Kung mahilig kayo sa mayonnaise, wow, this is gonna be great. Hey, Noemi Garcia, how are you? Wow. It's nice to have people, nagko-comment. So I know I have someone with me. Thank you for watching. That looks good. Yes, this is my favorite Noemi. Are you from the Philippines, by the way? Because your last name sounds like Filipino. Are you from the Philippines? Okay, let's continue. So, yung butter nyo, ang butter nyo will depend on how much, kung gaano nyo kagusto yung linamnam. You could, add whatever, di ba? Kaya nga magandang nagluluto sa bahay eh. Kasi parating yung wala kayong boss, wala kayong susundan. It's gonna be your own taste. You're the boss of the kitchen. Diba? And then, i-add natin. Ile-layer-layer lang natin. So, mag-add na tayo ng onions. Okay. Siguro baka 10 minutes lang to tapos na. Depending on how, anong sabihin nito, how your stove is. Kung gaano kalakas. Pero dapat lang medium high lang naman. I could hear the sizzling now. Ganyan lang. Walang right way of cooking your onions and your kamatis, your tomatoes. You could cut it or whatever shape you want. There's no rules. As long as the flavor is gonna be good, yun ang importante. Maging very good ang flavor natin. Okay. I can smell the butter now. I wish I could have more kamatis pala. Kasi masarap to nung may kamatis, guys. Ito lang, i-slice ko lang to.